Hey, Seth David here, and I'm just getting ready for my advanced Excel class, which is going to be given tomorrow morning as of this recording. It's always on Saturdays at Santa Monica College. Stay tuned. I'll show you exactly where you can go to register for the class, but I just want to show you real quick what we're going to do in the class. This is where you can actually learn some really cool stuff that's useful that you can use, and you'll see. We're going to start with a raw data file, which is exactly what you see on my screen here. And by the time we're done, we're going to have something that looks a little bit more like this, starting with the source data, what you just saw there to the right. After we turn it into a table and do a bunch of other things with it, we're even going to be able to create a chart that is able to populate the map, as you can see, based on locations. What we're actually seeing in this map is the plotting of sales by location. So it's shading in the areas that have sales. It's a little subtle here. You can actually set this up with different shades based on, where the concentration of sales are. You could see there's some darker areas there. We're going to learn to take that data, and using the remove duplicates command with a couple of other moves that we'll show you how to do, we're able to take the data and chisel it down to just some basic lists, which can be used to populate a drop-down. So I can quickly pick from among a group of product categories and get my total sales and sum that up. It's just an exercise that teaches you some important Excel skills, so that you can do things like this that make it very quick and easy for you to analyze data. Then we're going to look at some pivot table reports. We're going to look at how to analyze that data using pivot tables. And we're going to look at pivot charts, which is really a pivot table that also plots out a chart for you, so you can get some really cool looking results like this. And then we have this, which is a slicer, which in this particular case allows us to quickly analyze sales for a particular salesperson to see what their concentration of sales is by category. And we're going to pivot around and look at this in a lot of different ways during the course. So I do hope you will sign up and register. If you want to know where to sign up, you can do it right on my website. I have a page here at the top called Live Excel Classes, and it's all the links. So as of this recording, tomorrow, November 23rd, we're doing the advanced, and then we start it all up again in January. So January 11th, we're doing Excel Basics, and then January 18th, Intermediate, and so on and so forth. So if you're not doing anything tomorrow, even if you are doing something, cancel it and come to my class. My class is going to be way better than whatever it is that you may have planned. So hurry up, sign up. You only have a few hours. You have less than 24 hours to sign up and show up, and I'll see you there. I can't wait.